fifth law. We have quantity x over y raised to the m. This is equal to x to the m over y to the m. Now, for example, we have x over y, quantity raised to the fifth power. So, remember that x and y have both an exponent of 1. So, you have there 1, you have there 1. So, the answer is x to the 1 times 5 is 5. And then over 1 times 5 is 5. So the answer is x to the 5 or to the 5th over 1 y to the 5th. Now what about this one? We have x squared y cubed over 5z squared quantity raised to the 3rd power. So by definition, we have x squared y cubed raised to the 3rd power over 5 z squared quantity raised to the 3rd power, and then expand. That would now be x to the 2 times 3 is 6, and then y to the 3 times 3 equals 9 over 5 cubed is 5 times 5 equals 25 times 5 equals 125. And then z to the 2 times 3 equals 6. So the answer is x to the 6, y to the 9 over 125, z to the 6. But actually, there's no need for you to simplify this expression into this form, especially when you are taking exam because you have to save time. This alone is already simple if you have practiced several exercises. What you are going to do is just multiply the exponents. So you will get this answer immediately. You have x to the 2 times 3 equals x to the 6. And then y to the 3 times 3 equals y to the 9, and so on. So from here, you can immediately get the answer, this answer. So you are saving time. Now let's try letter C. So we have by definition, we have 2x cubed. Then we will expand on this one. So that is, this is 3x squared, so 3 times 3 equals 9. Then x squared is x to the 4th. Then parenthesis, and then bracket, square. Then over, now we will, excuse me, we will multiply 6 and 3 immediately. So we have 6 times 3 equals 18. And then x5 times x squared is x to the 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then quantity square. And then expanding, we will have, this will be 2 times 9 equals 18. And then x cubed times x to the 4th is x to the 7 over 18 times x to the 7. So this is square, this is square. But you say that the numerator and the denominator are equal. So you can cancel that out. You can cancel this out. You can cancel that out. So what is left is 1 square or just 1. Now remember that some expressions have more than one solution. So suppose that this is our first solution. This is one of the solution, our first solution. Now let us have a second solution. Our second solution. So what we do is, from here, we have to factor this one. So that would be 2x cubed times, factor this one, you have 3x squared times, because you have their square, so we have to factor that, 3x squared, and then bracket square. And then we will factor also the 6. The factors of 6 are, we'll get the biggest factor. So the factors are, we'll write the line. The factors are 2 and 3. So you have there 2. And then we have here 3. Now, x to the 5th can also be factored. It is x cubed and x squared. So we have x cubed and x squared, because x cubed times x squared is x to the 3 plus 2, which is 5. So they are now factored. And then bracket square. In this case, we can now apply cancellation. So note that you have 2x cubed, so you can cancel that. You can cancel this. And then 3x squared, you can cancel that. And this one, oh, we forgot to write the other, sorry. The other 3x squared, so we have to write that one. So we will erase this bracket. This one, I forgot to write that, sorry. So that is times 3x squared. So, we cancel that one, we cancel that one. We can also cancel this one. So, by the way, you have there the bracket square. So, the answer is 1 square or just 1. So, they have the same answer. Now, you will note that in the second solution, we have only one step. In the first solution, we have 2 steps. So, when you solve expressions like this, try to find out which solution will you apply. Because if you practice solving the exercises in your books, then I think you could easily spot the best solution or the shortest solution that you can do. So, I hope the solutions are clear. So, if you find this video helpful to your subject in algebra, your topic in algebra, please subscribe and share so others may also know these solutions. Thank you.